Faizan from India.
I had just one question. The question is, in brief, that whenever I'm praying, recently I read that you could have a specific intention. For example, I'm praying Maghrib, or you could have the intention of the prayer of the time. So whenever I'm praying, like Shaitan is confusing me, like, did you intend Maghrib or did you intend the prayer of the time? So what is the solution?
Okay, I will answer inshallah. Faizan from India says there is the concept of the intention of a prayer and the intention of time. What does that mean? See, when I go and pray Dhuhr, I'm aware that this is Dhuhr. It is 12:30. I'm going to pray. But sometimes I'm not in my senses. My mind is not present. So I perform wudu, I repeat after the mu'adhin, I go to the masjid and I say Allahu Akbar. And in the middle of the first rak'ah, what is this? Is it Dhuhr? Is it Asr? What am I doing? So I need to spend some time to reassure myself that this is Dhuhr. Some scholars say your prayer is invalid. Why? He said because you did not have the intention of Dhuhr in the beginning. Other scholars, like Ibn Taymiyyah, says, no, the prayer is valid because your intention was to pray the prayer of the time. And this is the only prayer of the time, which is Dhuhr. So your intention is valid. You don't have to confuse yourself because you did not name it.